Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share how to convert animated GIF to MP4 video. At first I open my web browser and then browse the site acenet.com. Now go to the others tools and then enter the GIF to MP4. To upload a GIF file from your device, press on the upload. When the GIF file will be uploaded, then press on the convert now. After converted GIF to video file, download this video file. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will help you, please subscribe to our channel, get more update videos.